Okay, so we're here at our new location in Denville, New Jersey. We purchased this property in October of 13. It had an existing pond inside the building, which was pretty neat. We're going to take and renovate this into our new turtle habitat. But the reason I wanted to bring you here and show you this was because I wanted to show you how we're going to utilize some water garden technology in Ghana for our rainwater capture project. This is called an aqua block. This unit is made of plastic and it looks like a crate. What it does is it allows for a void, which is going to create our underground water storage. You're probably wondering how this empty plastic shell is going to hold water. Well, what's going to happen is we're actually going to have an excavation already dug when we get to Ghana. It's going to get lined with a fabric that's going to protect our liner, and then the liner goes on top. It's a 45 mil EPDM rubber liner. These go inside the liner, and that's what allows for the water storage. They create a void, and when they're stacked on top of one another or arranged in various ways, we can make it as big or as small as we want, so it's a modular unit. What's cool about this is, as big as it is, and this is actually a small one, the ones we'll be using in Ghana are going to be a larger unit, which will be 18 inches high. This is actually 9 inches high. So one unit holds or allows for about 33 gallons of water. So you can imagine how many of these we're going to have to put in Ghana to allow for 20,000 gallons. Quite a few. But this unit doesn't come assembled. It comes in these individual panels, which is nice because they're simple to put together on site. They're light to move, and we're going to have quite a few of them over there to work with, and everybody's going to be hands on deck putting these things together. But as far as shipping goes, it's quite expensive to send things overseas in a container. So when you can break something down like that into individual panels instead of shipping a bunch of empty airspace, it allows for a lot more product to go over there at a lesser rate, which is nice for getting things where we need them to be. The other thing that we use quite a bit in our water features is called a pondless vault. This is where a pump is going to be housed. This will be down at the bottom of our excavation, and if you see this little lip right here, the matrix will sit right on top of it, and that's where it's going to start as far as the bottom of our excavation. So that's going to allow water to be drawn into this pump vault and then pumped to where usually we use it in a waterfall situation or some sort of a spinning statuary. There we're going to be using it to house, I'm not sure what's going on as far as how we're going to get the water to the surface, if it's going to be a solar application or if it's going to be a manual pump, but this is where that will take place, is inside the pump vault. So I hope this will make you understand how we're going to utilize some of this technology that we use on a daily basis in our decorative water features to provide a place to store and reutilize the water that's going to be captured over in Ghana. Thanks for taking the time to check me out. I hope you're learning something along this process. I mean, I know I am. It's going to be an interesting trip, and there's still quite a bit more to talk about. So thanks again for taking the time to check me out, and I'll see you on the next video.